Normally don't get attention from any motherboard, but this one, the Meg Z890 Godlike, got my attention. Not just because it has RGB lighting light, but it actually has built-in little monitors in here. If you guys can see LCDs that we have. This one, I don't believe it's an LCD, but this one has an LCD, but it shows you the actual CPU, power, voltage, fan. And there's another one in the bottom here. I'm not quite sure how much you can modify, but on this one, you do have to connect the connections on the front of it. On the side of it, you got your actual connections for your motherboard, your GPU, your fans, everything, your... Look at that. So all the connections will be on this one on the side instead of the back. So this is want to do cable management. This is all going to be on the side of it. Everything that you normally used to find in the front is on the side of it. You do have all the connections for your motherboard. You're on here. You have a Type C built in here for your Type 3.0 in here. Your fan support, your RGB lighting connection, everything's going to be connected here, including the fan control. And on top of that, you guys for your hard drives connection, your SATA connections in here too also, and the USB connections. IO Shield has a lot more to give to you guys. If you guys can see, you have you have actually 6 USBs Type A, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Type C's, 2 more additional one, and these are actually for transferring rate. 10 gigabytes on this one, USB 10 gigabytes, which is a 3.2 or 3.1, I believe. Yeah, your flashing button, your clear, your smart button, your 2 connections, your 10 gigabyte and the 10 and the 5. And then of course 2 antennas for your Wi-Fi 7 on it, your audio connection. You got your input here, your output actually for fiber connection for your audio too. So pretty much you're all set on this one.